Good morning, student. Today we are going to complete our lesson number 4, question answers. First, name the following with reference to the lesson. Name the following with the reference to the lesson. First, women scholars in Vedic literature. The second, means of entertainment in the Vedic period. Means of entertainment of the Vedic period. Now see, singing, playing musical instruments, dance, board games, chariot race, and the hunting. These are the means of entertainments. Now second, next the four ashramas, which is the four ashramas. Now we see first brahmacharya ashrams, grahastha ashrams, varnaprastha ashram, and sannyas ashram. These four are the ashramas. Now question number 2, tick or right or wrong. First, Rig Veda. In Rig Veda, mantras uttered during yajna. This sentence is wrong. Samveda, guidance on singing a mantra during yajna. It is correct. Third, Atharveda, the Veda derive its name from Atharva rishis. It is the correct one. Now question number 3, answer in one word each. First, the language of Vedic literature is Sanskrit. Next, the meaning of Ved, it means knowledge. Third, the head of the family is called as a Grihapati. And the fourth, the head of the Sreni is called as a Sreshti. Question number 4, name the following. The musical instrument you know. Just you have to write any musical instrument you know, drum, sitar, guitar, etc. 2 modern ornaments of women, ring and bangles. You have to write in more. Next, today's means of entertainment is games, watching movies and all, etc. Question number 5, answer in short. First, what foods were included in the diet of the Vedic period? What foods were included in the Vedic period? Now you see, in Vedic period, the diet of the people mainly consisted of cereals like wheat, barley and rice. From this, they made different preparation. As well as in Vedic people realize milk, yogurt, ghee, butter, honey, block gram and udid, lentil, masool, sesame and meat were also the part of their diet. Now next question. Why were cows priced highly? Why were cows priced highly? Now see, during the Vedic period, animals like horse, cows and dogs had special importance. Cows were used as a means of exchange. That's why cows were highly prized. Now next question. What was a man expected to do in sannyas ashram? In sannyas ashram, at this stage, the convention was to renounce all relations, lead life in order to understand the meaning of human life and not stay in one place. Now next question, question number 6, write short notes. Now first, the religious idea during the Vedic period. Religious idea during the Vedic period. Now you see, in the religious idea of the Vedic period, forces of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms and rivers were given the form of deities. Vedic compositions prayed them to become life-giving forces. Now next, houses in the Vedic period. Now see, houses of the Vedic periods. The houses during the Vedic period were earthen or wattle and dove constituents. Wattle means woven lattice of wooden strips which is daubed with clay mixed with cow dung. Houses were called griha or shala. The next one, a political system in the Vedic period. Now see, in Vedic period, each village had a head known as Grahamani. A group of villages form a wish whose head was called as a Vishpati. Several wish form a Jana. Later, when the Jana settled into a specific region, it became known as a Janapadas. The head of the Jana was known as a Nirpa or Raja or King. The main duties of the king were to protect the people, collect taxes and run the administration effectively. So dear students, you have to write down this question answer in your notebook.